Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khalil, and in today's video I'm going to show you the steps on how to reset your Blu phone model B170D. Steps on this device should be very easy. Follow the steps, you won't have any issues. First thing, we want to turn off the device. So you want to press the volume up and the power key together so you can get the power off option. Press them together and this will come up, and let's go ahead and turn it off. Once the device is off, there are two other buttons you want to press in order to get to the recovery screen, and those are the power and the volume down key. So press and hold it down, then press the power to turn it on. As soon as you see the blue logo, you want to release the power and keep holding the volume down key. Keep holding the down key until you get to the no command screen. Release. Then what you want to do right here, you want to press the power, then press the up key. So power, then the volume up key. You will get this menu right here. You want to scroll down to the second option, the recovery. Then you want to press the power key to confirm. Scroll down to the second option, press the power key once more. Is going to reset the device and delete everything. This will take about a few seconds to complete, and once that is done, you can go ahead and press the power key to restart. This is it, guys. This is the end of my video for the day. If you found this tutorial helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.